boy. The boy is my baby. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, kilikili reveal. Ay, Mare. May itim kilikili mo, lalaki ang anak mo. Pag may itim ang kilikili, lalaki. Pero kapag babae ang anak mo, dapat blooming ka. Eh, hindi ka blooming. Tapos may itim pa kilikili mo. So, lalaki ang anak mo. Ah, ganun ba yon? Ay, ba't ikaw, di ka rin naman blooming, tapos may itim pa kilikili mo, hindi ka naman buntis. Pa-ultrasound ka, baka may laman yan. Oh my God, this place is really beautiful. I'll take a selfie and I'll post this in my story. Posted! Tabi-tabi po. Bariya po. I'm so sorry, guys. I choked. Choke me, Daddy. Ben number. Mom, I'm so sorry. I didn't pass the exam. It's really difficult.
Ma! Grabe, alam mo ba ang hirap ng exam namin? Grabe, promise, lahat kami hindi nakapasa.
Ilan mo ko?
Oo, promise, kahit yung first honor namin hindi nakapasa eh. Pare-pare kami score, tingnan mo.
Oh my God! Mom, there's a butterfly. It's really beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Ma! May pare-pare dito ha?
Wag mong bubugawin yan. Lola mo yan. Dumalaw siya.
Lola to? La, yung 20. Damot mo naman, Lola.
Oh my God, you're so sexy. What's your secret? Oh, thank you. Actually, I'm using LumiFit because it burns body fat and prevents muscle fatigue. You should try it. Okay, I'll buy. I'll buy Bicol.
Labi!
Wait muna. Talaga ba? Mukhang good shit yan ah. Sinong source mo? Share mo naman. Pagpayat, nag-a-addict agad. Hindi pwede gumagamit ng LumiFit. Nakaka-burn kasi ito ng fats tapos nako-convert sa energy kaya mas active ako at alerto ang aking utak at katawan. Sinasabayan ko pa nga ng healthy lifestyle para mas mabilis ang resulta. Ganon. Kano ba yan? 380 lang, 60 capsules na. Arbor mo na sa akin yan ah. Oh my God, thank you so much for inviting us. Yeah, thank you. Their food is really incredible. It tastes good. I know, right? It's really delicious. Sige, Marie, salamat ha. Sa pahandaan nyo. Nakita mo yung Graham? Tinago sa rep. Hindi nilabas. Talaga ba? Tamot?